What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to another edition of Holi-Details with B. I am so pumped you're here, and I am going to talk about foam cannons. We're going to detail quickly the exterior of my beautiful wife's 2019, I think it's a 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. It's beautiful, but we had a tragedy here on this rear passenger door, a scratch. The Volkswagen went toe-to-toe with the Gladiator and it flipping lost. It actually jacked it up bad enough that the door squeaks really bad, and it's really tragic. But insurance is taking care of it, not my beautiful wife's fault. She and her beautiful ride were innocent victims in this whole deal, but it definitely got jacked up and I'm really sad about it. It's gonna get taken to a shop, but my beautiful wife needs pictures, so we're going to detail the exterior, and why not capture some Holi-Details and talk about foam cannons while we get this outside ready to go to the shop. Let's do that. One thing with the foam cannon, they make pressure washer less foam cannons, but I had to shut off the water. The pressure washer foam cannons work so much better. So that's what I recommend. It's not a necessary thing, but it's a highly recommended. Okay, why do you need a foam cannon? Foam cannons do an awesome job to take your shampoo or your pre-wash and your pre-wash, depending on how you do it, and bond with whatever's on the paint, take it safely to the floor, which reduces the risk of scratching, which is obviously the goal, well, at least it's my goal with almost all of my details, because I want my customers' vehicles to look amazing. So, foam cannons, what are my thoughts on what you should buy or what should be bought? I buy the cheapest ones possible. Why? Because I've had the best luck with $10.99 foam cannons off of Amazon. I really have. I've bought more expensive ones. They never last. I have no idea why. Maybe I just have bad luck, but I have had amazing luck with these cheap ones. I even have a couple backup ones in there just in case something tanks during a detail. So, whatever product you use, foam cannons almost always work awesome with it. We're gonna use CarPro Lift, one of my favorite pre-washes, in one of my foam cannons. Then we're gonna let that dwell for just a sec, rinse it off. Then we're going to use CarPro Reset, my absolute favorite shampoo. It's just so expensive. And in the other foam cannon, then we're gonna hand wash. It's gonna be sick. Ace, one of my homies, sent me a 10-page repair bill on one of his vehicles, and then he had an accident, unfortunately, and sent me a 4-page repair bill on his second vehicle, and what a bummer for him. However, should we take estimates on how much we think that door is gonna cost? I bet it's a couple grand. It seems like that's the standard to get anything fixed nowadays, but that's my best guess. Two random notes. I think foam cannoning looks so sick. I don't know why, it's just satisfying to see the foam cover the glass, paint, plastic. Second thing, how much you mix in the foam cannon really depends on the dilution ratio of your shampoo, so pay attention to that too. notice that the foam doesn't stick very well to this coat. This vehicle is ceramic coated. Advantage of a ceramic coat. It's probably a bit of a throwback, but I have always done a second round of foam cannoning. I think it's a throwback to when I used to wash outside, because Utah is super, super arid, the climate is. And so if you didn't foam cannon again, you ended up with water spots, even with soft water. It was bad. So second round with foam cannon, and then we'll rinse, and that's it. You may think to yourself, why do I rinse from the bottom to the top? Simple, it's for you, my YouTube viewers, that is it. There's no other benefit or no other harm. It's just, I think it looks cooler to rinse from the bottom to the top. So I do it for you. And this was it. Thanks for watching, bye.